Another day, another topic. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic, which is how computers interact with us through language. Computers have become an integral part of our lives, and one of the primary ways. But what language do computers use, and how do they understand and respond to us? We interact with them is through language. At the most basic level, computers communicate with us through programming languages such as Python, Java, and C++. These languages allow developers to write instructions that the computer can understand and execute. But for most users, the language of interaction with computers is a more natural one: English, Spanish, French, or any other human language. This is made possible through natural language processing, NLP, a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and human languages. Chatbots, virtual assistants, and voice recognition systems are examples of NLP in action. These systems use algorithms and machine learning to analyze the input they receive in natural language, and then generate an appropriate response. But NLP is not without its challenges. Human languages are complex, with many nuances and variations, and computers struggle to understand them fully. This is why you may sometimes get a nonsensical response from a chatbot or voice assistant. Despite these challenges, natural language processing is rapidly improving, and computers are becoming better at understanding and responding to human languages. Who knows, in the future, we may even see a day when computers can understand and speak every language on Earth. Until then, we'll continue to interact with computers through the languages we know best, and marvel at the incredible technology that makes it all possible. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Must watch next video for more information.